Need to change Siri's language on your iPhone? Whether you want Siri to speak in a new language or practice one you're learning, it's easy to do. In this guide, I'll show you how to update Siri's language settings step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Change Siri's language from settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Siri. Under the Siri request section, tap Language. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll and select your desired language. Then go back to the previous settings page. A prompt will appear confirming this language change. Tap Change Language to proceed. Step 2. Enable Siri's voice in the new language. While you're still in the Siri settings, tap Voice. Select a voice variant for the chosen language. Some language may offer multiple accents and voice types. Wait for the voice to download and set it as active. Step 3. Restart Siri for changes to take effect. Activate Siri by saying Hey Siri or holding the side button. Try speaking in the new language to ensure the changes have taken effect. Now that you know how to change Siri's language, you can enjoy a more personalized experience. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.